are talking today about the integration of ACT and Microsoft Office. Specifically, we'll talk about Outlook. We will talk about Word, Excel, and if we have time, we'll touch on Access. So this is John Klebnick from Tandem Training. I'm going to go ahead and, hey Gary, I'm going to go ahead and mute everybody, and then if you would, please use the chat window for asking questions, and then I will unmute us occasionally to take questions. So first of all, I want to make sure inside of my Microsoft Outlook I have an email account. I have that set up, so it won't work without that. And let me just show you how to integrate ACT with Microsoft Office or Microsoft Outlook for the purpose of email. Number one, we've got to have Outlook installed on the machine, either 2003 or 2007. 2000 will not work. And we open up ACT our database. So I'm in the ACT 2010 demo database. We go to Tools and Preferences and Email. And normally there'll be nothing there to start with. You hit Email Setup, and you go through a little wizard. And it's going to ask you to log, from an Outlook perspective, log into your ACT database. So here I'm choosing Outlook as my email client. I have added my demo database and logged into that. And you have to do that for the purposes of your history. Next thing we do is select an email editor, and you've got a couple of choices, the Outlook email editor or ACT email editor. Types of history that will be created when an email is sent out. I'll set this to subject and message. And the type of history that's attached. And we created history specified here. This is a new one. This allows me to specify what type of email invitations ACT has, and then we finish. So that gives me a link to Outlook from ACT. So let's talk about how, when we talk about specifically, starting with Outlook, we'll talk specifically about how ACT integrates. The areas that we could